Good morning. How can I assist you today?
Hi, I would like some tips on how to improve my English. I have been studying for a while, but I feel like I'm not making much progress.
Of course, I would be happy to help. Improving your English skills can be a fun and rewarding journey. Let's start by discussing some tips that can make your learning process more effective.
Thank you. That would be great. I'm really motivated to improve, so any guidance would be appreciated.
Firstly, engage in regular practice. Consistency is key when learning any language. Set aside dedicated time every day to practice your English skills, whether it's reading, writing, speaking, or listening. The more exposure you have to the language, the faster you will progress.
That makes sense. I will make sure to allocate specific time each day for practicing English.
Excellent. Now, let's talk about immersion. Surrounding yourself with English in your daily life can greatly enhance your learning experience. Try watching movies, TV shows, or listening to music in English. You can also change the language settings on your devices to English to practice reading and understanding.
That's a great idea. I will start incorporating more English media into my daily routine.
Another tip is to find a language exchange partner or join conversation groups. Engaging in conversations with native speakers or fellow English learners can provide valuable opportunities to practice your speaking skills and gain confidence in using the language.
I have always wanted to do that but was not sure where to start. I will definitely look for language exchange partners or conversation groups to join.
Wonderful. Finally, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Remember that making errors is a natural part of the learning process. Use every mistake as a learning opportunity and don't hesitate to ask for clarification or feedback from your teachers or language partners.
That's a very important reminder. I sometimes get discouraged when I make mistakes, but I will try to embrace them as opportunities to learn and improve.
Absolutely. Embracing mistakes is key to progress. Keep a positive attitude, stay motivated, and celebrate your achievements along the way. Learning a new language takes time, but with dedication and consistent effort, you will see improvement.
Thank you so much for all these tips and encouragement. I feel more motivated now and can't wait to start implementing these strategies in my English learning journey.
You are most welcome. I'm glad to hear that you are feeling motivated. Remember, I'm here to support you every step of the way. If you have any questions or need further guidance, don't hesitate to reach out.
Thank you once again. I truly appreciate your help. I will definitely reach out if I need any further assistance.
It was my pleasure. Good luck with your English learning, and I look forward to seeing your progress. Keep up the great work.
Thank you. I will do my best. Have a great day.
You too. Take care and enjoy your learning journey. Goodbye. Good morning. How are you doing with your English learning journey? Have you been able to implement the tips we discussed last time?
Good morning. Yes, I have been putting those tips into practice and I am already seeing some improvements. Consistently allocating time each day for practicing has made a big difference. I have been practicing my reading and writing skills and also engaging in more English conversations.
That's fantastic to hear. Consistency and regular practice are key to progress. How have you been incorporating English into your daily life?
I have started watching movies and TV shows in English with subtitles, and it has been really helpful for improving my listening skills. I also changed the language settings on my phone and computer to English, so I am constantly exposed to the language. I even joined a language exchange group and have been practicing speaking with native English speakers.
That's impressive. Immersing yourself in English through various mediums and conversations is an excellent way to improve your language skills. How has the experience been with the language exchange group?
It's been a great experience so far. I have had the opportunity to have conversations with native English speakers and learners from different parts of the world. It has boosted my confidence in speaking and has also provided cultural insights. It's a fun and engaging way to practice English.
That's wonderful. Engaging with different cultures through language exchange adds a unique dimension to your learning journey. Remember to keep an open mind and learn from different perspectives.
Definitely. I'm trying to absorb as much as I can. One challenge I have faced is being too conscious of making mistakes. Although I know it's a part of the learning process, sometimes I still feel self-conscious.
It's completely normal to feel that way. Making mistakes is a natural part of learning any language. Embrace those moments as opportunities for growth and improvement. Remember, everyone makes mistakes, even native speakers. Focus on effectively communicating your ideas rather than worrying about perfection.
Thank you for the reminder. I will try to shift my mindset and approach conversations with more confidence.
That's the spirit. Confidence plays a significant role in language learning. Don't be afraid to take risks and step out of your comfort zone. I'm confident that you will continue to make great progress.
Thank you for your encouragement. It means a lot to me. I will keep pushing forward and working on my English skills.
You are very welcome. I'm here to support you every step of the way. If you ever need any further guidance or have questions, don't hesitate to reach out.
I appreciate that. Thank you once again for your help and support. I will make sure to reach out if I need assistance.
It's my pleasure. Keep up the excellent work, stay motivated, and enjoy the language learning process. I look forward to hearing more about your progress.
Thank you. I will. Have a great day.
You too. Take care and keep up the fantastic effort.